Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log in Windows 11 PC with PIN without hitting enter key in your keyboard. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please locate with the option called accounts. Okay. And under the accounts tab, you need to proceed with account settings and look for sign in options. So here at the sign in options, you can see a list of the options. And since we'd like to sign in our PC with PIN, then we need to click this down arrow. Okay, and the moment you do it, you would be able to see an option called add. Please click on it, and eventually you would be able to add a PIN here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's say, for example, you would like to click on add. Let's say, for example, this is the add. You would be able to see this option, which is new pin and confirm pin. All you need to do is you need to type your new pin. Okay. Just type your new pin here and confirm the pin and go with OK. Once you have set it, let me just cancel it because I already created a pin in my Windows. Once you are done, please navigate to the start icon. Go with your power menu options. Please click on it and go with shutdown. Once you have turned off your PC, try to log it again. Okay. And the moment you will type your PIN without hitting the enter key, you would be able to open the window. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.